Samsung Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus were officially unveiled ahead of the Mobile World Congress 2018 in Barcelona on Sunday. As expected, the biggest improvements in the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus are in the camera department, with a variable aperture sensor on the primary rear camera on both phones, and a dual rear camera setup on the bigger model. The Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus launch date is March 16 in select markets, and they will be available in midnight black, coral blue, lilac purple, and titanium gray colors. It will go up for pre-orders in the US starting March 2nd. The Samsung Galaxy S9 price in the US starts at $719.99 for the unlocked model, or $30 per month, on a 24-month financing option, while the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus will be available at $839.99 for the unlocked model, or $35 per month, on the 24-month financing option. The highlight of the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus is the dual aperture setup on the primary rear camera sensor, which is capable of shooting at f/2.4 when there's ample light, but can switch to f/1.5 when the phone detects low light conditions. Samsung says this enables the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus to capture 28% more light compared to the Galaxy S8, adding that a new multi-frame noise reduction feature results in up to 30% less noise compared to the previous flagship. The other headline feature of the Samsung Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus camera is the super slow-mo camera that works similar to what we've seen on Sony's recent flagships. The phones are capable of recording 960 frames per second, which means 0.2 seconds of footage is stretched out to 6 seconds when you are playing it back. You can export this footage as a GIF or use it as an animated wallpaper on the phone. Samsung is also introducing AR Emoji, its answer to Apple's Animoji, with a few key changes. Unlike Animoji, which maps your facial expressions onto regular emojis, Samsung's AR Emoji is meant to be a virtual avatar of sorts that lets you click a 3D picture of yourself and turn it into customized emoji. You get 18 different expressions/emojis that can then be used via the keyboard app on the Galaxy S9/Galaxy S9 Plus in any app and be shared with other users irrespective of the phone they are using. The final camera-related improvement on the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus is the introduction of Bixby Vision in the camera app that will now offer live translation features, the ability to recognize the buildings and other places in a frame, and even look at the food in your frame, and provide information like the amount of calories in the item, a feature that will be available only in select regions. Another upgrade is the presence of dual speakers on the Samsung Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus, tuned by AKG acoustics, with one downwards firing speaker and the earpiece doubling up as the other channel. This setup, Samsung says, results in sound that's 1.4 times louder than the Galaxy S8. All this is backed by Dolby Atmos for surround sound, with a toggle in quick settings, enabling this enhancement for any kind of audio content, according to Samsung. Though the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus look virtually identical to their predecessors, they do pack some important changes. Arguably, the most important one is the decision to shift the fingerprint scanner from the side of rear camera sensor, a decision that caused plenty of problems while using the Galaxy S8 and Galaxy S8 Plus to below the camera module, which fixes what was probably our biggest complaint with the previous generation Samsung flagships. Samsung says it has reduced the size of the bezels at the top as well as bottom, done a better job of hiding the iris scanner at the top of the display, and made the screen darker, which means it blends in better with the rest of the body. What's more, the iris scanner and the face recognition now work together, which means you should have better luck authenticating yourself, at least in theory, when your face is partially covered. The Galaxy S9 Duo is powered by a 10nm 64-bit octa-core SoC, 2.7 GHz quad, and 1.7 GHz quad, in some markets, 2.8 GHz quad and 1.7 GHz in other markets, and then will be available in 64, 128, 256 GB storage options, with support for up to 400 GB micro SD cards. You get the Android 8 Oreo experience out of the box, and IP68 water plus dust resistance as well. Connectivity options include Gigabit LTE, dual-band Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, USB Type-C, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, and the 3.5mm headphone jack. Both phones have an identical 8-megapixel autofocus front camera f/1.7 sensor. The Samsung Galaxy S9 features a 5.8-inch QHD Plus curved Super AMOLED 18.59 display, 4 GB of RAM, a 3000 mAh battery, and a super speed dual-pixel 12-megapixel autofocus f/1.5 f/2.4 sensor with OIS. It measures 147.7 x 68.7 x 8.5 mm and weighs 163 grams. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus packs a 6.2-inch QHD Plus curved Super AMOLED 18.59 display, 6 GB of RAM, a 3500 mAh battery, a dual rear camera setup with dual OIS, specifically a wide-angle lens, with super speed dual-pixel 12-megapixel autofocus f/1.5 f/2.4 sensor, and a telephoto lens with 12-megapixel autofocus f/2.4 sensor. It measures 158.1 x 73.8 x 8.5 mm and weighs 189 grams. The Samsung Galaxy S9 also supports the new DexPad. This new accessory lets users utilize the displays of the Galaxy S9, Galaxy S9 Plus, Galaxy S8, Galaxy S8 Plus, and Galaxy Note 8 as input devices for their connected Dex experience. This means the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus can be transformed into a touchpad and touch keyboard when connected to a monitor and the DexPad. The DexPad comes with its own HDMI cable, wall charger, and data cable,